All right, let's go, let's go. 0. Nice try. I have faith in you guys. Let's go. Oh, on blue. On blue. All right, what's up everybody? My name is Danny from Nerd on a Budget. I love coming to LTX. This is my second time here, and every time I come, I want to try to do something to give back to the community that helps make all of our PC channels thrive. So I came up with this really fun competition to have with you guys to try to give away the prizes that you see here. NZXT Player 2 Prime, $2,000 PC, 4070 Ti, 5800X, 32 gigs of RAM, 1 terabyte SSD. Thank you to NZXT for sponsoring this. So that's one of the prizes. Another prize is this complete set of NZXT streamer and audio gear. So we got the Capsule Mini, the Switch Mix, the Relay subwoofer, and the Relay speakers. And then the last prize, thank you to Zotac and NVIDIA for hooking it up with the RTX 4060. So if you need a graphics card upgrade, that's a prize right there. So, does anyone know what this is? No. Nope. Has anyone seen, it's a ball, but do you guys know what this ball does? Always blue, exactly. The rules are very simple. This is called a switch pitch. If you've seen the show Silicon Valley, it is a meme on there. When they throw it, they try to always catch it on blue. Always blue.
Always blue, always blue, always blue, always. Oh, that was a yellow.
Everybody's gonna get one try. You're trying to get as many blue tosses as possible. There's one, I would have just gotten one right there. The person with the highest goes to the finals. Then next, I will do a random number generator. If you notice on your name tags, there are random numbers. So I will draw from 1 to whatever, and whoever gets that number, you will be going straight to the finals against the person that won. You will then be tossing this back and forth between each other, and if it lands on yellow for you, you lose. That's gonna be a best 2 out of 3 with the advantage to the grand finalists who won in the first place. So that's gonna be the first 2 prizes. Then I'm just gonna do a random drawing, which we've only got like 30-some people, so you guys have a pretty high chance to win whatever the last prize is. Without further ado, let's get this started. All right, we're gonna start over here. Good luck, sir.
Do I have to go first?
Did you not want to go first?
You're number 1. Well, I want a little time to strategize, but no, I'll go.
All right.
I'll go first.
1, 2. Oh my God, he's throwing it so high too. 2. All right. So now you get a 2 on here, and now can you pass the ball down to her? And we're gonna do the same thing. And now they're strategizing back here. Oh. Yeah, that counted. 2. Oh my goodness. 2. 1. 1. Don't worry, you might still have a chance when we do the random drawing. All right, let's go. Good luck. Well, so open your hand and let it close. It landed on yellow. All right, let's go. 1. That didn't change, but that's 2. 3. 3. All right, we got the new leader right now. We got 3 right here. All right, let's go. Let's go. 0. Nice try. That didn't roll at all, so that didn't count. 1. 1. The highest is 3 so far, so this is pretty difficult. Okay. 0. Open your hand up all the way to 0. Nope, that didn't count. 1. 2. Wow. 2. 1. 2. 3. That didn't roll at all. 3. So we got a tie for 3. Okay. Are you gonna do it from there? Oh, nice try, nice try. Here, let me mark you down.
Pick that 0. Let's go.
0. Nice try though, nice try. I gotta give a huge thanks to this guy right here, Andy from NZXT, one of the best reps I've ever worked with. Thank you for all the prizes, man. I appreciate it.
I appreciate you.
Thank you. Good luck. 0, man. It seems like the strategy was to, everyone who threw it high got some pretty good blues. All right, let's go. 1, 2, just the crazy throws. 2, nice try. So 3 is still the leader. It landed on blue. The 4 does count. Let it open your hand. All right, you got 1. 0. All right. You have a name tag, you are in, so don't worry. 0. Nice try. Let's go. That didn't roll at all, so it's still 0. Didn't roll it. You gotta roll it off your fingertip. It's still 0. All right. Nice try, nice try. I'm impressed that you threw it that high without it rolling at all. Yep. On blue. 1. 1. Nice try. Nice try, nice try. Oh, you sure.
Thank you, man.
There you go. And then here, let me get your arm there. Oh, what is it? Oh, it landed on yellow though. 1, 2. Come on, get. Oh, we need to see the next 3 or 4. It's been pretty low, but I have faith in you guys. Let's go. Yeah, nice try. Oh, nice try. All right. 0 still. Nice try. 0 still. 1, 2. That didn't roll. Let's go, let's go. 1. Oh, nice try with the crazy throws. Zero. Catch up. Oh, open your hand out. 1. 2. 3. All right, we got another tie for 3. 4. All right, we got the new highest. 4. Congrats on the next highest one. All right, so 4 is the leaderboard right now. Sorry to all the 3s that got passed up. You can do 2 hands if you want. I don't think that affects the statistics. Apparently, that might be a bad strategy. All right, let's go. 1. 1. All right, so let me get that on there. 1. Awesome catch, by the way. 1. Nice try.
First try.
All right, let's see it.
Watch me get a yellow first try.
1. That didn't roll, so that's just, you're still 1. All right, you're at 1.
I was almost right.
Oh. Has everyone gone? Everyone who has a sticker. Oh.
The regulation time?
Yes. All right, let's go, let's go. 1. 1. All right. So everyone has gone once. Can I get the person who got the 4? You'll stand right here. And now I'm going to do a random number generator. If your number is called, you will be going against him. Though, since he won, he gets the advantage. You start. We're going to be doing underhand tosses, not no baseball pitches, nothing crazy like that, to the other person. It's going to be the same rules. If they catch on yellow, they lose. Best 2 out of 3. You get the advantage every time, though, because you got the most tosses. So let me find my phone real quick. Can you press the generate button? And that will be your opponent. Number 36. 36. All right. Best 2 out of 3. Underhand toss, please, so that you guys could catch it. Okay, so you're good. You're still safe. Let's go. No, you're helping him out by not rolling it. Yeah, she just helped you. All right. So that's 1. No, you're still in. It's best 2 out of 3. He just gets the advantage, so all right. Nice. Come on, get him yellow. Get him yellow. Yeah. All right. It's blue again. Blue. Oh my goodness. Where was this skill earlier? Oh my. Come on. All right. It's 1-1 now. All right. So let's get it. Actually, you can just toss that however. It doesn't need to be blue. All right. This is for the grand prize. The person who catches yellow gets second. Oh, he did the Ash Ketchum hat turn and the glass push. All right, for grand prize right here. Let's go. Oh, nice. That's fair. Oh, on blue. On blue. Thank you for giving me good content, by the way. Man, how many has that been now? All right, let's go. It's just blues all day. Another blue. Let's go. Congrats! First place right here! I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry, but hey, she might not need the PC. So we'll see. You are the winner. Which prize would you like to pick between the PC, the graphics card, and the audio system? Which one? I think I might know, but
The computer.
she wants the computer. All right, so this is the NDX3 Player 2 Prime. Congratulations, 2000. Do you have a gaming computer right now, by the way?
I get my boyfriend's like hand-me-down, so it's
Oh, you don't need hand-me-downs anymore. I don't know what your boyfriend's system is, but hopefully this is better than his, so you can rub it in his face. But congrats. And then can I have you stand over here real quick? All right, second place. What would you like? He had the most throws, but because we're trying to make this fun and random, he ended up losing, but you still get a prize. What do you need? What do you have in your system?
When I'm playing games, it keeps crashing. So
Okay. You have a 1060? He has a 1060? Oh,
yeah, I have
you
a 10660. Yeah.
That's what, let's see, 1, 2, 3 generational jump of similar tier. So, I mean, whichever one you want to choose. Not everybody needs or wants to be a streamer or the audio, so.
That's true. That's probably not my top priority right now. So I think I'm gonna go with the graphics card.
All right, he's going with the graphics card. So congrats on that. And then can I have you standing over there? We've got all of NZXT's audio equipment here. Don't worry, I got a box for you guys. Take it on me. You don't have to carry it all, but this random drawing will be for that. So let me get my random number generator. Google, very official and professional. We're just gonna go to a random audience member. Can you please hit generate to show that I did not game the system in any way? Number 28. All right, congrats. So this is all yours now. So can you, yeah, this is all yours. I've got a box for you, so congrats. Can you use this by chance?
Oh yeah, definitely.
Okay, awesome.
Thank you.
Congrats everyone, thanks for playing, I appreciate it. Have a great rest of the convention. All right, congrats guys. Congrats again, thank you for playing.
Congrats.
I think that went pretty well. I was super nervous the entire time, but I think the pacing went decently well and everyone had fun, so yeah. And I'm happy that she had to, you know, the grand prize winner, she had to bum off her boyfriend's old PC parts and now she has her own. And then the other person who chose the 4060, he's going up from a 1060, so that's like a huge upgrade. I'm happy with the results of it, so thank you guys. I want to give a huge thanks to Chris for being one of the cameras for recording this, also to mod Jason Whitmer for being the main cam that's attached to this mic. Huge thanks to Brett from UFD Tech for, I recruited him to help bring this stuff over here, and we're gonna see how many blues you can get. We're just gonna do it for fun. All right, you ready?
Yeah.
All right, let's go. 0. Okay, nice try, Brett. Perfect way to end the video right there.